Hello and welcome to Camperversions. Today I'm going to give you this walk around video on this T6.1 Transporter campervan. We've got here the upgraded front LED headlights, gloss black grills, some decals on the side. This T6 is a T6.1 is a 2020 plate with 60,000 miles. This was our try before you buy a campervan for hire for people to try before they purchase one of our high spec campers. Been extremely well looked after and quite a lot of additional spec on this as well. We've got the rib bed with ISOFIX points, Eberspacher heater, sink hob, fridge, swivel seating. We've also got the TV DVD player, comes from that swing arm just there. Pop-up roof with the additional bed as well. And then we've got at the rear reversing camera, reversing sensors, as well as a tow bar at the back of this. The van's also got air conditioning, cruise control. We've also got Apple CarPlay, and there is also a tracker and a dash cam in this, ready to go. Thanks very much for watching.